Hello guys, welcome back to Trading DNA. In this video,
Recession,
when it comes to the market,
recession.
welcome back guys. In this video, we are going to speak about one of the most spoken terms in the market, recession. Yes, you might have heard these terms for few months. There are various reports showing that there will be the recession in 2023, and here is 2023. Economist Nouriel Roubini, who predicted the 2008 crisis, now warned us that there will be a long and ugly recession till the end of 2023. There are many CEOs of leading business firms are also suggesting that there will be the possibilities of recession in 2023. In this video, let us see this in detail. Before moving into this video, I would like to request you people to support this video by giving the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. First of all, what is recession? What is the definition of recession? A recession is a significant, widespread and prolonged downturn in the economic activity. In simple words, it is slowdown of trade, any trade. Slowdown of any activity of buying and selling of any goods and services is known as recession. So how people find it is recession or not? There is a basic rule that if a particular country's GDP posts negative results on the 2 consecutive quarters, then that country will be in recession. There are many other factors also, not only this factor, but most of the typical economists believe that this will be the factors while considering a country is in recession or not. So here is the data of India's GDP growth rate from the year 2017 to 2027 that are forecasted. So from this data, we can clearly see that there is a decrease in the GDP of India during the year 2018 and 19 and to 2020, and also in 2021 to 2022, and in 2023 also it is expected to post reduced GDP. I hope you might have been curious about 2021, where the GDP growth is surged to 8.68%. This happens because the RBI decides to print more money to beat the economic situation happened due to pandemic. As a result of that, 2021 posted the higher GDP growth rate of India, followed by reduced GDP growths. So as a result of this, what happened is there was a large number of money circulated in the country, and the inflation rate is also got higher and higher. In order to control the inflation rate, RBI has decided to increase the interest rate, which results in people paying higher loan at higher interest rate for the car, vehicles or educations. All kind of loans are repaid with higher interest rates. The interest rate was kept at 4% from the year 2020, 21 and 22, and after mid 2022 this interest rate is hiked to 6.5%. So this will lead to the less circulation of money in the market. How this GDP, inflation and recession affects the market? Let us see that with an example. When you look at the Nifty 50 chart, it is obvious that because of 2020 COVID pandemic, all the market in the world has faced severe fall. But then the government decided to print more money and made them circulate in the market so that they can able to regain the wealth that they lost during the pandemic. So what happened is the market has skyrocketed from 2020 till 2022. So right now is also the market is at near the all-time high. Nifty has given 124% returns during the period of April 2020 to October 2021. So when speaking about the country with the largest economy, that is US GDP growth, it is more similar to our GDP growth. It has posted declined GDP in the year 2018 and 19. And also 2020, because of this COVID, this fall happened. And similarly 2021, 2022 and 2023 has also posted the declined GDP. And this sudden surge in 2021 GDP growth is also because of the printing of lot of money. In India, we have RBI, Reserve Bank of India, which is the regulatory body for the all banking systems. Whereas in United States, it is Federal Reserve Board or Federal Reserve Bank, which is the regulatory body of all the banking systems in America. From this, you can see the Fed rate of America, where the interest rate is kept almost zero during this pandemic 2020, 2021 and 2022. During the past 1 year, Federal Board has hiked the interest rates rapidly to near the 5%. When more currency is printed, there will be huge inflation rate. To beat that inflation rate, the government will hike the interest rates, which in turn results in less circulation of money in the market. Hence, all the trades gets slowed down. This is how recession works and recession is formed. There are some reports saying that India will not get affected by this recession. But however, recession in USA will have direct impact on our markets, since most of the Indian IT companies are based on US projects. If not that much, at least to some extent, Indian market will get affected because of this US recession. There is a common saying that if the Wall Street in USA sneezes, every other nation will get pneumonia. So now let us see what will happen during recession and how to escape from this recession. First, what happens during the recession? There will be less money circulated in the market. Because of that, there will be a drop in asset values. For example, land value and the stock prices will get affected because of this recession. And there will be dry demand and supply, which means the demand and supply will always be lesser. Because of this, many businesses which are already running in huge debt will get affected and there are chances of getting bankrupted. To cope up with all these issues, the company's first target is their employees. Companies start with laying off their employees. This unemployment could be the major problem of this recession and it is currently happening daily. Speaking about these massive layoffs, many countries across the nation has already laid off many of the employees and still they are removing their employees day by day in huge number. For example, Alphabet has made a job cut of around 12,000 employees and Meta has removed around 11,000 of their employees and Amazon has removed around 18,000 employees and Twitter has already removed 3,700 employees and now it fires 50 more employees, which is 70% of their total employees. Microsoft has removed 10,000 employees and the list goes on. And many IT companies in India like Accenture, Cognizant and Wipro has also fired thousands of employees. Not only largest tech companies but also many of the startup companies in India has also laid off many employees. For example, Byju's has fired 2,500 employees and Ola has fired 2,300 employees. Blinkit, Unacademy, White Hat Junior, Vedantu has also fired many of the employees. Apart from this, many other companies like Oyo, Meesho, Udaan and Zomato has also terminated their employees. And now comes the important topic, how to escape this recession. First one, be upgraded in your job. No matter which job you are working in, just be updated with latest techniques and softwares that you are working in. Number 2, have an emergency fund for at least 6 months. We don't know whether we will be in that job tomorrow or not. If something bad happens, we have to cope up financially until we find some another job. 3, don't put new EMIs or new loans for anything. Close the EMI and loans as soon as possible. 4, avoid big purchases. Try to avoid purchasing materialistic things or luxury things such as new bike, car or homes. Save this amount and wait for some time. Once the situation gets normal, you can buy whatever the things you want. 5, have a medical insurance or term insurance. Life is so unpredictable these days. What if something bad happens to you or your family members? Then it will be very much difficult to manage the expenses during this recession period. So hence, have a medical insurance or term insurance. Number 6, plan your taxes accordingly. Since you are in March, you have to plan your taxes accordingly so that you can able to save as much as taxes you can. I hope you might have understood what recession is, how it is formed and what happens during the recession. And I tried my level best to say what are the things that you can do from escaping the recession. If you find this video valuable, kindly share this video with your friends and family members so that they can also be prepared for this recession. Again, I am requesting you people to extend your support by subscribing to our channel and giving thumbs up to this video. See you all in another video with interesting topic. Until then, take care. Bye.